Hey guys, if your Tuya smart plug shows offline in the Tuya or Smart Life app, stops responding to commands, or suddenly disconnects from your network, you are in the right place. This issue is commonly caused by a temporary Wi Fi interruption, the plug losing connection after a router restart, a weak wireless signal, outdated firmware, or changes to your Wi Fi name or password. In some cases, the plug may stay offline because it hasn't reconnected automatically after a power outage. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So, let's get started. 1. Confirm your 2.4G HZ Wi Fi network is working and the router has internet access. 2. Unplug the Tuya smart plug for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. 3. Move the plug closer to your Wi Fi router or improve the wireless signal nearby. 4. Open the Tuya or Smart Life app and install any available firmware updates. 5. Remove the smart plug from the app and pair it again if it still appears offline.